Hi, thanks for watching. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a headstand in the various phases. So even if you're a beginner to yoga, you can still do a headstand. So you're going to start by clasping your hands so that there's no space in between your knuckles. You're going to make a U shape with your hands. And this will be the cradle for your head. So you can start by sitting on your heels in hero pose, getting your head in the right position, and then you're going to drop your hands and your forearms down to the mat. So most of the weight for the headstand should be on your forearms. From here, put your head down into the cradle and find the top of your head. So the top of your head is like the flattest part of your head. So you'll know it once you find it. From here, curl your toes and then exhale your hips up into the air. So this is a headstand, so you can stay here. You can play around with what it feels like to be inverted or upside down. And beginners can just stay here and can rock, or you can begin the headstand. So you do that by walking your feet forward, slowly walking your feet forward. Keep walking until you feel that your hips are directly over your shoulders. So you should feel that, and your body begins to tilt once you get there. So then you can take one right foot and you can kick it to your butt. Take your left foot, kick it to your butt. And when I say kick, I don't mean forcefully. I just mean you're playing around with that motion. Once your hips are directly over your shoulder, you'll begin to feel your body tilt. And just lift both legs really close, really tight. Your body likes to be really tight. And then from here, hang out here, breathe. Don't rush into the headstand. Once you breathe for a few breaths, begin to straighten your legs out. Continue breathing. Find and focus on the floor behind you. And you're in headstand. You can stay here for as long as it feels comfortable. If you feel wobbly, it's okay. Just release your fingers and roll out of the headstand gently. Don't stiffen up. You're only a couple feet from the ground, so you won't hurt yourself. So just roll into it. Or you can try and go into a split, which is quite fun. When you're ready to come down from headstand, slowly lower your legs down. Feet on the mat, drop the knees down, sit back into the position, allow your blood to come back to normal, and congratulations, you've done a headstand. So if this tutorial was helpful for you, please like and share, and I hope to see you around next time. Thanks for watching.